Okay, next we look into data versus information. Okay, what we call as data, what we call as information. Okay, so I summarize what is data, what is information. Okay, data is something that we call as a raw fact, something that you can use as in the report or where you want to present. You cannot present data because data is a raw fact that doesn't mean anything. But once you process the data, it will become the information. So information is a data shape. Okay, so of course the information is from the data, but you are already process it into the meaningful form. So whatever you present or whatever you report in a monthly report, in annual report, so this is what we call as the information. So if you can see here, so this is an example of data, but once you process it, okay, so it become like 331 bright dish soap 1.29. So the item number will be 331. These are the description. These are the unique sold, for example. So this is a data. Okay, it can be so many data, and then when you process it, you will take the important one to become the information, right? So we have the data and information. So we have the input, process, output, IPO. Okay, so what is input? Input is to capture the raw data from organization or external environment. Okay, what is process? You convert the raw data into meaningful form. So you can process, you can classify, you can arrange, you can calculate, and then you have the output. So output will be the process information, okay, to people or activities that use it. For example, like report or whatever the product that we can produce later. For example, a receipt, an invoice, a report, or any that we can get. This is whatever the data already processed. So this is the output from the process. Okay, so other than that, okay, so IPO, input process output, is under the information system. So in the information, outside of the information system, they must be supported by the environment, the organization, the suppliers, the customers, of course, okay, the competitors, the stockholder, and the regulatory agencies. And of course, once you apply the information system in the organization, you must have the feedback. Okay, whatever output you have, okay, output is written to appropriate member of organization to help evaluate or correct input stage. So you must have the feedback. So let's say that the output, you can have what we can say, the improvised stage, okay, to make sure that the output we can improvise later. Maybe some sort of the formatting, the layout. Okay, so this is the feedback that we need. Okay, so then we have computer or computer program. So computer or computer program, okay, it is a technical foundation and tool. So we need the computer or computer program to come out with something. Okay, that's why we call it as a foundation and tools. Okay, if you want to produce a system, you must have the computer, you must have the program. So it is the very important thing that you need to produce before you produce something. Okay, and then what is information system? Okay, it is a set of interrelated components. Okay, collect, process, store, and distribute information and support the decision making, coordination, and control. So every computer or computer program tadi tu, you need to make sure that you can work together to complete the information system. Alright, so I stop here before we move into the information system. Okay, so I hope you understand what we meant by data, information, the input, process, output, and what are the items that support the information system, and of course the computer and also the information system.